Hello, my dear friends. I am Snehal Mahajan, a life coach and founder of Fab You, that is finding a better you. Today, I am going to discuss with you about a confidence. A tip of the day for confidence is trust. There are two types of confidence. One is external and one is internal. Now, what is this external confidence? From where it comes? It comes from how you get connected with people, how you carry yourself in front of others, how you wear your clothes, how you wear your jewelry. All those things actually enhances your personality. Now there is a second type of confidence, that is internal. Now from where you get this internal confidence? You will get it from your eye contact, your body posture, which is really important to make your personality more powerful and more confident. But the core confidence actually live by your soul. Does your soul really have that core confidence, or how to build that core confidence in your soul? So for that you have to start building trust between your conscious and subconscious mind. Now what does that mean? Suppose you have decided to wake up early in the morning at 5 p.m. and you actually do it. So you are building a thread of confidence between your conscious and subconscious mind. Similarly, if you decided to go for a walk in the morning and you actually go for a walk in the morning for 2 hours, so that time you are building one more thread between your conscious and subconscious mind. So like that, in a whole day, when you do any small or big thing, your confidence get increase, and slowly you start building your confidence. The personality who is having such kind of power, such kind of confidence, is really a powerful personality. And when such kind of personality, when speaks to us, when say something to us, we really get absorbed by all the thoughts which he is saying to us. We start liking that kind of person, we start admiring that person. Also we start following that person. So if in your life you really want to become a powerful and confident personality, I highly encourage you to start building trust in yourself. Because what happens most of the time, when we say something to else, we always keep that promise because we don't want to let that person down. But when it comes to us, we never keep that promise. Goes we take it granted actually. So and that is the biggest mistake which we are doing in our life. By disconnecting our most important part of our brain, we are disconnecting from universe, we are disconnecting from our subconscious. And because of that, what happens, we are not getting the things which we want in our life, because universe stop trust you. Why? Because you are not trusting yourself, and that's why universe is not giving the things which you want in your life. So trust in the universe. From today, decide to do one small thing, take action on it, and see what happens to your personality. Your confidence start building slowly and gradually. The way people will look at you will change. You will also feel that confidence in yourself. Your personality will get more confident, more powerful by doing all these small steps. So I think you now got how to build confidence in yourself. It is a very simple trick that you can do it on your own. So I hope you like this information. If you really like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video. Till that time, take care. Namaste.